Ninh Binh was a breath of fresh air. Endless green rice fields showed us a place where one can be more in touch with the natural world. This is where we met Lee, our tireless host and a great cook herself. Lee started cooking, learning from her mother, when she was only 7 years old. She told us that it was the food that made her most proud of being Vietnamese. And like Nung back in Hanoi, she agreed that the most important basis for great cooking are fresh ingredients. The ingredients are so crucial, in fact, that Lee routinely wakes up before sunrise just to get them. A market in the countryside is certainly the best place to buy them. And it is also a place where locals can meet and chat. In Vietnam, to achieve a perfect dish is to achieve yin and yang, a perfect balance between flavors. The breakfast we had at the market, a delicious noodle soup, gave us exactly that. In that small bowl was a simple yet harmonious meal, heightened by the balance between sourness, bitterness, sweetness, spiciness, and saltiness. A country's cuisine is a mirror of its people's way of life. At the root of this culture lies a search for balance. We all walk that line, wavering, unstable, trying not to fall one way or the other. Yet here, lost between those rounded mountains, green rice fields and rivers, balance seemed almost reachable.